Hello guys, welcome to the M Frequency. Here we are again with the BMW E28 wide body build. And today we are going to try to measure our wheel offset, back space and front space to see if we can start getting some idea on the dimensions to order our custom wheels. So I'm a designer, as you can see, and I have my safety glasses because I don't know what I'm doing, but it makes you look smart. So let's go ahead and try to get the measurements from the wheel. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is take off these glasses when we don't need them, and we're gonna measure our backspace, which is the distance between the wheel hub surface, where the wheel has contact with, and whatever is gonna touch first of the wheel with whatever is back there. So in order to do that, I'm gonna use two rulers. One that I'm gonna put flush with the wheel hub surface, and the other one I'm gonna use it to measure the distance from that surface to whatever it could hit in the back first. So although I think we need to go a little bit higher and check on this distance here. If we measure 17.5, that's the back space. Now we're gonna zoom out a little bit and we're gonna measure the front space, which is from this surface where you want your wheel. So we do the same. We try to go flat from that surface out of this one here. I want to have it flat to the ground. But let's see. There I can see 17.6. 17.6. So that's our front space, 17.6. All right, we measure back space and front space. Now we go to the wheel to explain what offset means and how to consider it when you're buying custom wheels. This is a wheel of a friend of mine who I borrowed to start measuring. The first thing that you want to know is the width of your wheel. So just to have in consideration when you measure your wheel like this, let's say it's 10 inches, you should consider 1 inch less when you're buying them. The manufacturers of wheels, they measure it from the inner lip to the inner lip, just for you to consider. Next thing that you want to know is your offset is at the center of the wheel. So this is 0 offset. From 0, positive. From 0, negative. So most of the wheels, they are closer to the face or the outside of the wheel. So most of the wheels have positive offset. And when the contact of this surface is going back, it could be 0 or it could be negative offset. That's the information that you need to know. If your offset is negative, the wheel is gonna be pushed out. If your offset is positive, then the wheel is gonna be pushed in as the contact of the wheel goes out. It's a little bit of math. You need your back space, your front space in the car. You need your width of the wheel measuring from the inside, remember, and your offset. There are some calculators online that you could put all those dimensions and figure out what dimensions you need to order your custom wheel. I hope that was some useful information, and let's see, getting ready to order custom wheels. Send the frequency. Later.